How to engineer a YouTube script for search. Voice SEO explained. Most people optimizing a YouTube video focus on the same things: the title, the description, the tags. And they're not wrong, those signals matter. But there's one signal almost nobody engineers deliberately, and it might be the most controllable one you have. I want to talk about how to optimize a YouTube video using something I call Voice SEO. And I want to be upfront. It started as a theory, a brainstorm. I was sitting there asking myself what signals YouTube actually uses to understand a video. Title, thumbnail, description, engagement. I'd gone through the obvious list. Then I thought about the transcript. YouTube automatically transcribes everything you say. Every word spoken in a video becomes indexed text, readable by YouTube and Google, which means your audio functions, in principle, exactly like the text on a web page. And if that's true, if YouTube audio SEO is real, then the same principles that govern on-page SEO apply to what you say on camera. I have 16 years of SEO experience. The parallel seemed too obvious to ignore. Here's what the research suggests. YouTube's AI creates a transcript of your video. When you say your primary keyword in the first minute, it increases the algorithm's confidence that your video is relevant to that search term. That's not my theory, that's what SEO practitioners are documenting in 2026. The audio signal acts as a secondary verification on top of your metadata. So if you want to know how to optimize a YouTube video beyond the basics, the answer may be sitting in your script before you even press record. The process I use is this. I should be clear, I don't apply it to every video. Some of what I make is public thinking, reporting on my own experience as they happen. That content doesn't need engineering, it needs honesty. But when I'm making a video designed to be found by people searching for something specific, this is the process. Before I write a single word of script, I do keyword research the same way I would for a web page. I identify my primary keyword, 4 or 5 semantic variants, and the questions people are actually searching for. Then I build the script around them. Primary keyword in the first 30 seconds, semantic variants distributed naturally throughout, the questions addressed directly. This video is an example of exactly that. Before I wrote a single word of this script, I built a keyword brief around the phrase how to optimize a YouTube video. Everything you've heard since the opening has been engineered around that term and its variants. You probably didn't notice. That's the point. I call this Voice SEO. I've documented the full process in a guide available on my website, including a worked example showing exactly how it was applied to a real video from keyword brief to finished script. I'm 16 videos into building this channel from zero. I'm not selling this from a position of having cracked YouTube. What I'm offering is 16 years of SEO thinking applied to a new medium, and the observation that most creators have their audio completely unoptimized. The gap is where Voice SEO lives. Link to the guide in this description.